Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I am in an attic today and gonna look at some duct work. And we're finding some ducts that are pinched. And as you can see, here's my first one that I found. You can see right here that it collapsed. I mean, it collapsed completely. This is no good. You see here. I also have a lot of air leaks coming out through here. So, and inspect the rest of the house. This duct completely is not any good. There's another one right there. So you can see that's also not any good. So we're going to, check all the ducts, replace them, get better airflow, and at the end, a happy customer. Okay, so call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web and also on YouTube at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? And YouTube is ABC Austin Service Express. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.